Peanut? Is that snow? Is that snow? Yeah, it's snow. See? It's been snowing since this morning. Well, it's been snowing before I even woke up. And I don't think it's gonna stop anytime throughout the day. Well, it did snow a bit yesterday morning, but it was only like a little, as you would say, layer, or rather blanketing of snow. It wasn't very much, and I'm doubting that there would be much here either. Or maybe I'll be wrong. Well, time will tell. There. Is this? Well, I don't really have the iPhone 7, so it won't be much. But it is cold. I borrowed a pair of my mother's Uggs to protect my feet from getting too cold. Yeah. Well, my mother told me some errands real. It's getting windy, so I'm probably going to head on back inside. And to prepare myself from like water. Here comes the plow. Even though the snow level isn't really deep enough to even consider plowing the road, but okay. And I'm pretty sure they went down the dirt road. And Rocky takes a shelter from the storm in the house. And he does like it when he sleeps. Here. Here. You want to sleep on? Huh? Hey, buddy. Okay. It's too cold for you? I know. It's pretty cold outside and very windy, so I don't think you would want to even consider going outside, huh?
Hello everybody and welcome to Saturday. It feels weird to be throwing out the vlog after several minutes of footage already. But that's how the snow was whenever I woke up this morning and whenever Lita got me footage from how stuff is up in Jersey. And as you can tell, Northern Helena is here. It's here, and well, Lita's still up north because from what I saw, like all day it's gonna be covered in snow. But here, it's pretty much gone. You can see this is the spot where I recorded this morning, which is all green, basically, except for a few blotches like up there. That big mile of chips. There's white. And across there's some white. There's a field of white. If I can actually get my light to work. Tough to see, but there's a lot of white, a decent bit of white over there. But definitely not as white as it was this morning, I can guarantee you that. Both inside and out, the snow is melting. So a little bit later, actually like 10-15 minutes later, I'm about to sit down and do a little bit of a test for some recording because, certainly as many people know, the Nintendo Switch presentation is going to be next Thursday, Friday? Thursday at 11 o'clock at night. And that's going to be the actual presentation. And I think there's going to be like a more some stuff with games on the Switch that the Treehouse is doing at 9:30 on Friday. So because it's going to be 11 o'clock on Thursday, which is a school night, I'm just going to cover it Friday. So Friday is the Switch presentation, which I want to try and see how I'm going to record this. So I want to test something out because you filmed me watching it, then I just filmed it. I want to see if I can get both. So I'm just going to play some Smash Brothers 4 music while and then in post I'll combine the two. So let's see how that will work. I'll do it the same way I do the end slates. Except not a video on picture, just a video on a video. So let's see how that will work, shall we? The key thing is I start the recording basically at the same time, but it should be fine because right here you get to see my face. How you doing? And over here you'll see the video, which just ends Castle Melody from Smash Brothers 4, which is a good song. Just been my suggestions lately because I've been listening to it a lot. But yeah, I think this is it. I think this should be a pretty good format to record these videos, and because you get to see me and you get to see the video. But anyway, I think that's enough, and that can be it for this episode. That can be it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and let's back in tomorrow, shall we?